Munro College is represented this evening by team captain Tajani Brown, Joash Salmon, Antonio King, and Theodore Tomlinson. While Wolmer's Girls is represented by Angelica Bailey, Michaela Jackson, Janae Wright, and team captain Giselle Harrison. Only one of these teams will move on to round 3. Hello and welcome to continuing round 2 action here in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge. Do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? We'll go right into the opening challenge. Teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Wolmer's Girls won and decided to go first. So ladies, we begin with Wolmer's Girls. The section lasts for 4 minutes. We have it on the clock. So we'll begin right away. Wolmer's Girls with mathematics. What are the factors of x squared plus 4x minus 45?
X plus 9, x minus 5.
X plus 9, x minus 5.
Yes, mathematics, Munro College. What are the factors of x squared plus 4x minus 77?
11 and 7.
X plus 11 into x minus 7.
Correct. International Affairs, a visual question for Wolmer's Girls. Ladies, look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Deacon Mitchell.
No, it's Natalia Wheatley, Premier of the British Virgin Islands. International Affairs. Gentlemen, look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Cayman Islands, this. Timothy.
Andre Banks.
Andre Banks!
No, it's Wayne Panton, Premier of the Cayman Islands. History for Wolmer's Girls. In what year did apartheid officially end in South Africa?
1893.
1893.
1994. History, Munro College. Who was the last South African president under the apartheid system?
FW de Klerk.
FW de Klerk!
That's right. Principles of Business, Wolmer's Girls. What is the 9-letter name for the ease and speed with which an asset can be converted into cash without losing significant market value?
Liquidity.
Liquidity.
Correct. Principles of Business, Munro College. What is the 6-letter name for the residual value belonging to owners after liabilities are paid off?
Assets.
No, equity. Music and audio question for Wolmer's Girls. Listen to the following clip, ladies, and identify this singer, please.
To shoot up and feed them and bless the cup 32 songs to read. Give thanks for the love.
Chronics.
Chronics.
Cool as the breeze. That's right. Music for Munro College. Listen to the following clip. Identify this singer, please.
Them fool you. Don't believe for a minute that they are with you.
Which one done?
Memories. That's right. Physics for Wolmer's Girls. A car increases its speed from 18 meters per second to 30 meters per second over 8.0 seconds. If the car's mass is 1,200 kilograms, what is the average resultant force on the car?
3.2 Newton.
3.2 newtons.
1,800 newtons. Physics, Munro College. A 2.0 kilogram trolley moving at 4.0 meters per second collides and sticks to a 3.0 kilogram trolley initially at rest. What is their common speed after collision?
Speed.
2 meters per second.
Go ahead. Meter 6.
Go.
6 meters per second.
6 meters per second.
1.6 meters per second. Theatre and cinema, a visual question for Wolmer's Girls. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Anne Hathaway.
Anne Hathaway.
No, it's Mackenzie Foy. Theatre and cinema, Munro College. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Yes. Vanessa Kirby.
Vanessa Kirby.
Good. English language, Wolmer's Girls. Spell surreptitious, which means sneaky.
CERTICIPIOUS.
No, it's SURREPTITIOUS. English language for Munro. Spell scurrilous, which means offensive.
Scurrilous. SCURILOUS.
2 R's. SCURRILOUS. Wolmer's Girls sports question for you. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Sadia Jackson.
No, it's Alexander Zverev, tennis star. Sport from Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Amanda Anisimova.
No, it's Elena Svitolina, also a tennis star. General knowledge, Wolmer's, which is the rarest naturally occurring element on Earth?
Aluminium.
No, astatine. General knowledge, Munro, what element is named after the creator of the periodic table?
Mendelevium.
That's right, geography, and that's the bell already. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Munro College slightly ahead on 5 points, Wolmer's girls on 3. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Don't go anywhere. School's challenge quiz returns right after these messages.